Introducing SAI-HUB RC. Bring autonomous drone operations with AI-powered intelligence directly into the field, with real-time detections for inspection. BrainBox hardware enables full on-premises deployment, so your flight planning, flight data, and detection algorithms remain under your complete control. Our mission templates make it easy to launch autonomous flights. Use a point-of-interest mission to fly around a specific target with multiple zoom levels. Choose a 360 waypoint mission for security monitoring. Area scanning covers larger spaces in a structured grid pattern, while linear inspection follows a direct route from point to point. For recurring operations, Patrol Route enables routine inspections with alerts for manual takeover when something is detected. And for more advanced workflows, custom missions let you define specific actions at each waypoint. Operators can run AI detection models to identify people, vehicles, animals, solar hotspots, fire, smoke, and other assets and anomalies even in remote environments. Supporting a wide fleet of DJI drones, including the Matrice 400, Matrice 300 and 350 RTK, Matrice 4 series, Matrice 30 series, Mavic 3 series, and Mini Pro series, with compatibility reaching back to the DJI Mini 3. Detections are exported into professional GIS workflows through geopackage files, and automated mission summaries provide searchable intelligence, object mapping, and velocity analysis. Receive SMS alerts upon detection and share live inspection streams with your command center operations team. Our One-Shot AI option enables deeper AI detection on a single 4K frame, while Zonal AI focuses detection only on the specific sections of the frame you define. For the Matrice 4 series, application and object detection algorithms can run directly on the drone, making setup simple. With SAI-HUB RC, you get new advanced AI inspection, while remaining completely in control. Visit Spectro-AI.ai for more information or to book a demo.